Cosmelan, the world's leading professional pigmentation removal method. Trust the leader. Once the application time determined by the skincare professional has finished, the patient will remove the Cosmelan 1 face mask at home. To do this, the patient must rinse their face with plenty of water until all traces have been removed. 48 to 72 hours after removing the face mask, the patient should continue with phase 2 of the at-home regimen, with a duration of 1 month. This second phase of treatment is intensive and represents the continuous depigmentation phase. Cosmelan 2 Depigmenting Cream. The main product of the at-home treatment is Cosmelan 2, a potent depigmenting cream that keeps working to eliminate existing melanin deposits, lightening blemishes day after day and preventing their reappearance. Apply to clean, dry skin, evenly covering the whole face 3 times a day, morning, midday, and evening. Melan Recovery. After Cosmelan 2 treatment, it is necessary to apply Melan Recovery in the morning, at midday, and in the evening to restore the skin's hydrolipid film, protect the skin, and relieve tightness. Melan 130 Plus Pigment Control. To complete the treatment, it is essential to protect the skin from direct sunlight and UV radiation. During this treatment phase, new skin is more vulnerable to sunlight. Apply the sun protection every morning and reapply at midday. During the second at-home phase, the patient should visit the skincare professional halfway through the phase, 10 to 15 days after starting treatment. This is important to assess the patient's progress during these initial intensive phases and to modify the intensity of treatment based on the patient's individual response. The Phase 3 at-home application regimen should be repeated, but the application of Cosmelan 2 and Melan Recovery should be limited to 1 application in the morning and 1 in the evening. The third phase of the method is the melanocyte re-education phase, aimed at regulating melanin production. The fourth phase of the method is necessary to prevent the reappearance of existing blemishes and the appearance of new blemishes. It involves applying Cosmelan 2 and Melan Recovery only at night and Melan 130 Plus Pigment Control in the morning and at midday. Cosmelan, the world's leading professional pigmentation removal method. Trust the leader.